What is up, guys? Welcome back to a new review. Today we're checking out the Bottega Veneta Orbits. Shout out to Play Shoes for sending us these. So first of all, they come with all the details, and here they are. They look absolutely amazing. So they come with an extra bag, they come with a dust bag, and yeah, here we have a look at them. This is the new colorway. They look so good. Perfect shoe for the summer. Also, they fit through the size. So if you're a size 9, go take a size 9. And yeah, here we have them. So if you would like to purchase from Play Shoes, make sure to check out all the information down in the description. Yeah, they're super helpful. You can send them a message on Instagram or WhatsApp. And also don't forget to use the discount code DRIPPY to save yourself some money.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.